Alright, what's up guys? Gonna jump right into it here. I was away for a week, had a few packages waiting in the lobby of our building. So I'm just gonna unbox them, talk through them a little bit, and take it from there. So I have 4 packages here, all from various places that I'll talk about again as I unbox them. But we could start with this first one here. It is a big U-Haul box. You can see how big it is. It's like literally like a moving box, or when you get fired from your job and they make you put everything in a box like this. This was a deal that I actually got on Poshmark. A few of these are actually from Poshmark, these packages. But this one specifically, I sent a super lowball offer and the guy just happened to accept, so kind of stoked. It was a very impromptu, impulsive purchase, but I figure having 3 pairs, which you'll see shortly, is a good deal here. So the guy packaged it very well. It came all the way from California here to New Jersey in a very timely fashion. Let's get in there. You see some replacement box in there. It's not a pair of Mizunos. And as I'm pulling these out, I'm trying to do these shorter form videos, that require a little less effort, just because I have no time to really make these videos these days. I've been super busy. But if you couldn't tell, there's 3 boxes here. The other 2 are replacement boxes. There's only 1 original box here. But yeah, let's crack into this top one. This is the original box. I don't know why he has the stickers on top, but that doesn't do me any favors. Neither does this light. This is terrible. I'm still trying to figure out this new system. This top pair is dead stock, brand new. It's a New Balance 2002 in this all white colorway, so it's like a white leather throughout actually. Size 10. I read up on these and a lot of people were saying that they're a little tight at true to size. So I went up half, put these to the side. You'll see that they're all pairs of New Balance 2002s. So essentially is this. A nice little reusable bag that I won't need. Here is another pair. I believe this is the Marblehead pair, or it's like pretty much like a gray. This one's like a suede and mesh combo. Size 10, this one's gently worn. No original box, but that's alright because these are really mainstay staples to wear in a rotation, not so much to collect and hoard, even though I have 3 pairs of them now. Super clean condition. They look to have been worn maybe once or twice. I'll give them a nice little cleanup, although they don't require much, which is awesome. Let's get into this 3rd pair. So it's in a replacement New Balance box. Another reusable bag. Wow, thanks guy. And here, city noise, gotta love that. But here is the 3rd pair. This one is in the light bone. I'll include more details in the description of all of these pairs. But pretty much these are also lightly worn as well, probably worn once or twice. These are actually in really great shape. I'm really glad I pulled the trigger on all 3 of these because these remind me a lot of, like the 993, 992. I know there's a lot of history about that. Maybe I'll cover that in a video review. But these are super awesome. So I got 3 pairs of them. And now the dying question, how much should I get all 3 of these for? So for all 3 of them, I got them for $150 plus shipping, which turned out to be like $157, all said and done. So if you do the math on each pair, pretty much each one was around 50 bucks, which, I mean, for a brand new pair of 2002 Rs and then 2 very gently worn ones, which will be in my rotation, definitely worth it in my opinion. So that's the first pickup. Very stoked on these. Let's move on to the next one. This next package didn't come too far. It came from Trenton, New Jersey, the capital city of my home state of New Jersey. So 1-day shipping. I feel bad because it's been sitting in my lobby for a week. Again, we went away, so I wasn't able to get to it. But got a good deal on these as well. No original box, but it's okay. I've been really on this no box life. But let's pull these out. This is a pair I've been lusting for a while and was never able to find them at a good price up until this point. So very excited about that. I paid, I think, about $70 US for these. Again, a pre-owned shoe, but using my, I guess, tips and tricks of cleaning and sprucing things up definitely makes it a good buy for sure. So I'm gonna peel these off, get this bubble wrap off. I appreciate the shipping, the careful shipping here. We got a little nice thank you note. If you guys aren't familiar with Poshmark, definitely recommend checking it out for sneakers. It's usually for clothes people use it for, but sneakers, I always find some good deals on there. Nice little thank you note there. I appreciate that. And here they are. So they are a pair of New Balance 990 V4s. These are like the breast cancer awareness pair. So they make these. This is like a deeper pink, but then there's a lighter pink, which I'll put a screenshot of. I'm trying to get a pair of those as well. But this one is super cool because it has the little breast cancer ribbon there at the heel counter, which is awesome. It's a made in USA pair, so the quality is good. Although the suede on here feels a little matted, I'm gonna have to nap out the suede. But these are very gently worn. Again, look worn once or twice. Super awesome pair. This whole cause is near and dear to my heart, so I'm very glad to have these. Again, I paid like 70 bucks for them, so very good price. No box, but it's all good because I'm gonna wear these a lot, especially in October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so very hyped on these. If I can think of anything else to say about these, I'll put in a voiceover, but if not, we're moving on to the next pair. Taking a break from the Poshmark pickups. This one, New Balance box, but it's actually from Hibbett Sports. Interesting that they sent it in a New Balance box because it is a New Balance sneaker. This one I got a really good deal on as well, but there are some trials and tribulations to the purchase, which I'll point out once they're open. But yeah, let's crack them open. I can talk a little bit more about it. Again, while I guess we're here, be sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe if you like this sort of unboxing content. Again, I'm doing it mainly to save time. You know, as much as I want to push out all this content, I'm super busy with actual life stuff, so I never really get a chance to make these sneaker videos. So it would definitely be greatly appreciated if you guys could drop a like, drop a comment, follow me on Instagram as well, because at the end of the day, I am picking up sneakers. It's just a matter of me getting around to making videos. But long story short, got a receipt here, again from Hibbett Sports. And if we take a look at the box, it's a made in USA New Balance. And getting to the size tag is where things get super interesting. So if you can tell, it's a W990GL, so the W stands for women. The 990 GL5, you should be able to pick apart that. It's the gray 990 V5. You can tell they're a size 11, which is equivalent to a men's 9.5. And the 2A here denotes an extra narrow fit. So there's an extra narrow, normal or standard, which is the D, pause. And then there's a wide and extra wide. So on the scale of fit, this is on the most narrow, which I do have a pretty narrow foot. I'm not sure how this extra narrow is gonna fit, but it was sort of the only one that was in stock. So I guess part of the reasoning in buying these is, one, I had a coupon, which brought these down to $10 off of their $175 retail. And then I also had a coupon code for 30% off. So all said and done, after taxes and shipping, which there isn't any sales tax for New Jersey sneaker purchases, oddly enough, these came out to like $120, which is a crazy deal. So these are a pair of the 990 V5s in the all over gray color. Again, women's size, extra narrow, but looking at it, they look pretty standard width. I don't know if that's just me imagining things. Let me pull out these actually. Yeah, width-wise, they seem pretty normal. I'd have to have them on feet to see how they fit. But again, there isn't any difference in the women or men's shoes. It's really just the sizing. So a women's 11, if you don't know, is a 9.5. You just subtract 1.5 from the women's sizes and you get your men's size there. So definitely excited about these. This is my first 990 V5 actually. I've had a bunch of 990 V4s in the past, and I got a pair of 3s, 2s, and 1s. So this kind of completes the set for me, which is awesome. I'm definitely gonna lace these up ASAP, put them on feet, see how they are, and maybe I'll make a video review, maybe I won't. I probably won't, but we'll see because these are meant to be a daily wear for sure. Love these. And on to the last one, which isn't a New Balance. Another USPS box, this one again from Poshmark. It will be a nice refreshing change in this video. Interesting shipping, box to use. These are obviously the shoes themselves. No original box. Again, shoes are meant to be worn over the years. You know, I've been hoarding all of these sneakers and like barely get around to wearing them. So at this point in my life, I want to wear everything that I own or sell it. It's one or the other. But here's a pair that is for sure going to be in the rotation. These are a pair of the Blazer Court Lows. I don't even know how to pronounce this, but I'll put a little text box of what these are. The reason why I picked these up is one, because I don't have a Blazer low in the collection as of now, and I think this is a Blazer court, so it's a little different. And two, just the interesting swoosh here. It has a little fish hook. I believe the guy here, again, whose name I don't know how to pronounce, is a Nike SB signature skateboarder, or he reps Nike SB, and this is sort of his pro model. But I love the altered Nike swooshes. My Oski Shark Dunks, I love those a lot as well. But yeah, I got these for a steal. They come with no laces, no original box. However, I got them for like $20 or $30. I'll put it in here how much I ended up paying for them. The vulcanized soles just need to be cleaned up. Very little sole wear. I could throw in some shoelaces there and they'll be good beaters. That wraps up the sneaker pickups. Mainly New Balances, this one oddball SB. But they're all for good deals, man. When I'm not hitting on things for retail from like the sneakers app or raffles or any hype releases, you know, I'm picking up little GR sneakers like this that are good for everyday wear. So sneaker game's fun. It's all about wearing your kicks, and I'd appreciate it if you guys, again, check me out on Instagram, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, all that usual stuff. We're gonna close it out now because the video is super long. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Cleaning this up is gonna be annoying, but we're here.